Alright, here we are at the park, and Addison is feeding the ducks. Are you feeding the ducks? Yeah. Say here, duck, duck, duck.
Look, 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 look.
Okay, bring those crackers to me and I'll break them up for you. Bring them to Mommy. Thank you. What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you about to do? Are you gonna feed the ducks?
Yeah.
What are you gonna feed the ducks? Huh? You gonna feed them crackers?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Let's just try. It's moving out.
You want to eat that one?
Yeah.
Are you excited the ducks are back? We've been missing the ducks, haven't we?
I'm done.
They're all done?
Look.
Are you all done feeding the ducks? You're going to feed yourself now?
Mommy.
Yes, Addie. Are you dancing?
Yeah.
Can you blow the ducks a kiss?
Yeah.
Blow them a kiss. Addison, blow the ducks a kiss. Go, mwah.
No.
No, you don't want to kiss the ducks?